airport right now. We're waiting to get on the airplane
We just woke up on the last day of the cruise. We are in Miami. I just want to show you, there's a little detail on TV. If you push the home button, our names are in there, and you can access your account and all that kind of stuff. So looks like we have a good weather, 71 degrees. Come on, washi washi, come on.
Washi washi. If you help me and you know this was your hand. If you help me and you know this was your hand. If you help me and you know, show me through the love is all. If you help me and you know this was your hand.
Alright, last morning of the cruise. We are in the Windjammer. This is a madhouse right here. We tried to go to the dining room, but it was already closed, and now we have to go on the Windjammer. Of course, everybody is crazy right here. I'm gonna show you the Windjammer a little bit. I like that Spain pin. Where did you got it in Spain? Your pin in Spain? Where in Spain were you at?
Pontevedra.
Pontevedra, really? I'm from Vigo.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Phenomenal. Yeah, I competed there for Duathlon USA, Team USA.
Really? That's awesome. Cool. Yeah, you're like right outside my city. I mean,
Which
that's
is
the
amazing.
yeah.
It's a beautiful.
We're getting some potatoes, some hash browns. I wanted to get some eggs, but I guess we're gonna have to do scrambled eggs since they don't have any fried eggs ready over here. So let's get some scrambled eggs. Okay. Let's go to the next station. There's eggs, sausage. We got some tomatoes over here. So let's get a couple of sausages and some tomatoes. Okay. And we're waiting for that bacon right there. All right. Let's go back to our seat now. You can see this place is busy. Alright, and now it's time to leave the boat. Bye-bye, navigator of the seas. Okay, so now the fun begins. Since we don't have passports for 3 of them, we may have to go into the birth certificate line, and supposedly, for what I heard, it's a longer line to check out. So let's see what happens when we check out. And then after that, Uber and airport. On our way to immigration. Going down. And here, those numbers on the top, that means you get a tag the last day. So if you put your luggage the night before, you will find it looking at those numbers. Hey guys, we made it back to the port. Now we're having some issues with the Uber or Lyft app. The signal strength in here is not very good. That's because of many people. So it's taking me a while to get a lift. So the thing keeps spinning and spinning and spinning. So let's see what happens. Alright, we make it to Fort Lauderdale airport. It is now 10:15. Our flight doesn't leave until 3:45, so we cannot check the luggage until it's at least 4 hours before. So we're sitting here on the floor and with our luggage. The kids found chairs over here. So a little bit of a wait, and then we will check the luggage, and then we go through security. That way we can get a little bit more comfortable, maybe get some food. But so far so good.
Hi guys, I'm just in the airport right now. We're waiting to get on the airplane, and right now I was just watching videos on my mom's phone, and I just wanted to let you know where we're going on our airplane. We're going back home. We were in a place. We were in a city we're still in right now. But we're at the airport. And yeah, so that's what I've just been doing. And here's my sister Megan over here. Say hi, Megan. So yeah. And I'll show you my mom over here. Mommy, say hi. Hi.
You woke me up, did you know that? Love you.
So yeah, that's what I've just been doing. See you back on Emma's channel. Bye. Bye.
So we just want to show you what happens after the cruise when you have way too much fun. Yep, that right there. Sleeping at the airport.
I think he's just a little...
And vegetables. Yay, back to normal food.
If you are taking an exit for a passenger on Southwest Flight 910 with services to New Orleans, make your way to the gate B5 immediately. Your flight is completely boarded. We are looking for a party of 3. Please make your way to the gate B5 if you are on Southwest Flight 910 with services to New Orleans.
They didn't respond to what you said.
Bye.